Waiting for pass to begin, followed by Cool. Reception, Brown Baby alongside his reporter. Nose west, speed to reaches, rushing up is Invincible Ink. Strike force, followed by entry number 1, Cool. Reception, Brown Baby alongside his reporter. And rounding the far turn, strike force by a length and a half, followed by Brown Baby. Racing in third by the Rally School. Reception, Invincible Ink joining them, Nose West. And out of far turn, strike force by a length and a half, followed now by Invincible Ink. And Reporter on the outside, Cool. Reception down on the inside fourth as they race the final corner. His strike force, Invincible Ink rushing up on the outside to grab the lead. Invincible Ink strike force down on the inside, fighting back. Invincible Ink strike force. Cool Reception is running in second. Invincible Ink, Cool Reception on the outside. And finally, it's going to be close. Invincible Ink, Cool Reception, strike force. Reporter, Nose West, speed to reaches, Brown Baby.
Inabot ba o